Uh, I have been using Tradetron for last some time, actively for last 3 months, but had been following up their developments for maybe last 7 to 8 months. I must say that there is something for everyone who is involved in trading and financial markets on Tradetron, be it a retail trader, an advisor, or even a broker. So let me start with what a retail trader has on Tradetron for him. If you are a retail trader and you have a logic or a system which you want to implement, you don't have to go to any coding companies or someone who will code the strategy for you at a price. Uh, Tradetron has a wonderful strategy builder, condition builder, wherein you can put your conditions, uh, test your systems on paper trade, or you can do live trading in one of the 10 brokers which are presently listed on Tradetron. Second thing is they have a place called marketplace, wherein the experienced advisors or the traders have been running their strategies in auto mode for quite some time. You can go to the marketplace, select their strategies, see their statistics which is maintained by Tradetron, see the past performance, and if you feel comfortable you can deploy the strategy in paper trade mode or in live account, whatever way you feel comfortable with. Then third thing is that they have a lot of other features, like if you have a strategy already running in ME broker or MT4, you can hook up your ME broker or MT4 with Tradetron for algo trading. And one thing I would like to emphasize here, that now with the weekly expiry of index options, there is a lot of interest in weekly options of indices. Tradetron gives a great flexibility to code the option-based strategies, be it dynamically selection of strike, dynamically selection of specific rates of options. So the flexibility is quite vast. You will be surprised once you get into the condition builder and try to make your strategy. Second thing is for the advisors. If you have your strategy and you want to reach out to people, this is the ideal place for you. You can code your strategy, you can publish it in marketplace, people will see your strategy. If it is good, definitely people will come to you for subscription. And they have a wonderful subscription management system, wherein you can manage all your clients, all your strategies from a single page, with total control over it. uh, Third thing is, which I would like to say, that uh, Tradetron believes in sharing the revenues with everyone who is part of the chain. They have wonderful referral schemes, wherein you can like market your strategies. You can refer your clients, your friends, and you can be part of the revenue sharing as well. Another thing which I like about Tradetron is that their customer support is quite active, very accessible, and you can access even the CEO for your small issues, and it will be attended to with all their efforts, and it will get resolved. So what I will suggest, that if you are like you are not on Tradetron yet, better be there. If you are a trader and you are not on Tradetron, you are missing something. Please join it. You will have a entirely different experience of your trading endeavors.